Ndị Igbo mma mmanụ, Chukwu gozie unu, ya dịrị unu na mma. This is the Master Prophet Young Joshua Yawins, the awakened one of the Biafran people, Biafran spiritual leader, the prophet and the founder of the new Igbo Biafran indigenous religion, Rufana. N'ụbọchị taa, o nwere obere okwu ihe m chọrọ ịkọwara na ndị Igbo. Maka anyị enwebe onye pụtara mbụ n'ala Igbo according to history. Anyị enweghị that documentation ịkọwara naanị ihe gbasara spirituality. Ihe niile anyị nwere n'ala Igbo gbasara spirituality has to do with ihe si Israel bịa, ihe si na Bible bịa. At the end of the day, ihe ndị a second hand information, and more especially information that has been manipulated by the slave masters. Today, I am a living witness as a prophet, somebody that have been in Christianity for over 25 years. I used to have a church, and somebody that have been prophesying for years. I want to let our people, more especially I am speaking for the Igbos, the black people, Igbos in particular. Any other tribe, that is your problem. But as an Igbo man, I am a living witness that things that has to do with spirituality has nothing to do with religion. That somebody will come and say, I am a prophet because I am a Christian. I'm a prophet because I am an evangelist. I'm a prophet because I am from this church, I'm from that church. No, you cannot be a prophet because you are from that church. Because the ability for someone to prophesy has nothing to do with religion. It is a gift given. Has nothing to do with religion. You can have the ability to prophesy and you are a Muslim. You can have the ability to prophesy and you are Judaism. You can have ability to prophesy and you are Christian. You can have ability to prophesy and you are a Buddhist. This is something given by the what I call, let me just generalize it, by the universal consciousness, by the light, the energy that is in you. That universal consciousness has nothing to do with the religions of the Middle East. And as an Igbo man, what we have in our land is Chukwu. Chukwu is the God of the Igbo people. And Chukwu has nothing to do with the Middle East. Chukwu has nothing to do with what is written in the Bible. Chukwu has nothing to do with the God of Judaism. Chukwu has nothing to do with God of Christianity. Chukwu is the God of the Igbo people, the God that we came to when we are in difficulty. And that God protected us, and that is Chukwu. So you can be non-Christian, still have the ability to dream, ability to prophesy. It has nothing to do with Christianity. I am a living example. I am going to show right now a picture that is an evidence that I made a prophecy 2011 that one day that Donald Trump will be president. Here is the evidence. And I'm going to play a video, a shot of that video. What I said about Donald Trump. I said that they will try to assassinate him. They will try to kill him. The FBI, the CIA, Democratic Party, Republican Party, that they will try to harm him. But I said that they will not succeed. I have a proof of the video that I said it. And bring law and order in America. And I'm seeing that the economy will blossom when Donald Trump takes over as the president of United States. So I am warning the Republican Party, do not harm Donald Trump, do not assassinate his character, do not harm him physically. He is anointed, he has been sealed by the Most High to bring peace and prosperity to America. Whether Republican Party or CIA or FBI, take your hand away from Donald Trump. He is anointed by the Most High. Do not harm him. Do not harm Donald Trump. Do not put your hand on him. He has been chosen to bring prosperity to you and to defend and protect the Holy Land. Also 2019 and 2021, I declared that there's going to be a second Trump in the White House. That Trump will have majority in the Senate, majority in the House. I said it. And here is the evidence of one of the captions that I wrote. Here is the evidence. And again, I'm going to play the video so that you see it. Of United States, and even I'm declaring that he will win majority in the Senate, majority in the House. And Donald Trump, because of this second time, he will have more Republican governor, more Republican senator, more Republican mayor, more Republican whatever you call it, in America. It's gonna be a landslide. Today is 31st of July 2019, and I have been in the prophetic, and I heard something that I have heard before, and today will be the second time of hearing that. So today I'm going to prophesy. I heard a second Trump in the White House. And this Trump will be different. The second Trump will be different from this Trump. And that second Trump will be loved by many. Why am I doing this? I'm doing it to show my people that when I made all those prophecies that Donald Trump will be the president, I have already left Christianity. And when I declare that there's going to be a second Trump, it is 2019, I have already left Christianity more than 10 years ago. So having ability to dream and see vision has nothing to do with religion. It is something given to you that is inside of you. Ability that is inside of you has nothing to do with these three religions from the Middle East. So now I'm going to speak Igbo. Ndị Igbo, ọ ka nnọọ mara ihe karịa agwụ. Na ekpukpere arụ ndị ọcha butere n'ala anyị emene nnụ nna dị iberibe, stupid. Tete nnọọra. Those idiots ndị ọcha butere na nnụ onye a kpọgburu n'elu obe has no power. Enwe ihe ọ ga-emere nnụ. Bilite nọ n'ụra, pụtanụ from arụ ndị ọcha butere na anyị. And again, this evidence proves that you can be non-religious person, or let me put it on the other way, you can be somebody that is not with these three religions from the Middle East, and you can still dream and see vision. For me, as a traditional person, I still have the ability to dream and see vision. I still have that power to look into the horizon, say something, see something, and hear something from the universe. And that thing will still come to pass. And this is the evidence of it, that you don't need Christianity or Judaism or Islam for you to be able to dream and see vision. As a black man, as an Igbo man, if you are another tribes, that's not my business. I am talking to Igbo people so that they realize that Christianity, this religion from the Middle East, were the tool of the slave masters. to fool them. So that they should wake up and understand that they have been fooled by the slave masters. At the end of the day, if you go to the Bible, 10 Commandments, most of those things were derived from the Egyptian Book of the Dead. And most of the things written in the Bible were also derived from the 24 spell, the Book of Amenemope. The book of the daughter of Amen-Ra. Mat. When you go there, you will see that most of those things were copied from that place. So Igbo people, my people, wake up. Today is 13th of November 2024. The day that Donald Trump is going to see Joe Biden in the White House. I am the only prophet in this universe that prophesy that Donald Trump will be president. I have the evidence. Any other prophet in this world, none of them have the evidence, original video, date and time. I'm the only one. I am the only prophet in this world that have the evidence that said that there's going to be a second Trump. And I said it before Donald Trump lost the other election. And today Donald Trump won majority in the Senate and it is in the House. As I declared, there is power in the mouth of the prophet of the Biafran people. So there is power in the mouth of the Biafran prophets. The spokesperson of the great and mighty Chukwu, the God of the Igbo people. Ndewo, Mama.